Okay, they're going to kick me out of the library here, so I'm going to show you some quick stuff. If you've done your vertical stitch, your horizontal stitch, you've got that end done on your square. If you've done the vertical stitch, you have this end done right here. That's vertical. If you have your diagonals, you've done. You know how to do it. See that? Look here. 2 stitches, skip the stitch, started. See that? 2 stitches. Let me see if I can go back. Make it a little bit better. But you're doing that. You're doing. Oh, that's why I had it upside down. Sorry about that. Oh gosh. Anyway, yeah. So this is just your slanted stitch, your diagonal stitch. See that? Put your 2 stitches in there. Skip that stitch. Start it on the next one. Same thing. This is just a combination of your diagonals, your horizontals, your verticals. That's how you make a circle. I will make a video for that and show you more detail, especially how, like here at the top, you have you skip 2 stitches. So how do you do that without making it look really slanted? And I will show you that. But I gotta leave the library, so I will be back.